1989 Sportster converted to a street tracker. It's got a Phil Little fiberglass tank and tailpiece with seat. It weighs 69 pounds less than when we started, with extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum. The carbon fiber includes the headlight housing, air cleaner cover, front and rear caliper labels, timing cover, battery surround and cover, and the electronic module cover. The aluminum includes front and rear hubs, XL 19-inch shouldered rims, fabricated headlight mount, rear sprocket, fabricated license plate mount, modified front fork brace, fabricated hydraulic brake switch mount, fluid fittings, speedometer housing and mount, speedometer sensor mount, the front rotor backing plate, and a horn mount. Lighting was done with LEDs, a small 7-inch round headlight. The front and rear turn signals are LEDs, with the front LEDs strips mounted on the forks just below the top yoke. The rear turn signals are mounted in the license plate frame. The tail and stop lights are also in the license plate frame. And the lighting system uses a miniature flasher module to save a little bit more weight. A lithium battery was used, 4 pounds, 13-pound savings over a typical AGM battery. 1.5 inches was added to the side stand as a result of the longer 15-inch progressive suspension rear shocks. It's got a super trap polished stainless exhaust system, Dakota digital speedometer, Buchanan stainless spokes and nipples. The flat track tires are Golden tire and they're DOT approved. Flanders dirt track bars with a 31.5-inch spread and a 14-inch pullback. Modified shortened bar risers. The Biltwell whiskey throttle was modified to accommodate the jackhammer grips. ISR brake and clutch controls from Sweden. Miniature toggle switches were used to save a little bit more weight, with the starter switch hidden under the fuel tank near the key switch, and miniature toggle switch is also used for the headlight and turn signals. There's a small 1-inch miniature horn at the front. The brake rotors are EBC floating stainless with aluminum centers. Braided stainless lines and cables from Magnum Shielding, their black pearl model. The chain is an EK X-ring chain, chrome plated on the sides. Chain zinc aluminum low rear sets and pegs, with the low rear emphasized to give a little better leg riding position for us old guys. An S&S air cleaner, and progressive fork springs. As I mentioned in the beginning, all this resulted in a 69-pound savings, so the bike now weighs 429 pounds. Future items for weight savings will include an aluminum swing arm, as well as an aluminum oil tank to replace those steel items.